I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming materials and protecting surrounding finishes. First, wipe the area with rubbing alcohol to remove oils. This lets you see the true scratch. Then tape off rims and faucet so you only work on the stainless. Take 400 grit and sand lightly across the scratch in the same direction as the grain's short, controlled strokes build control. Once the scratch lightens, switch to 600 grit to blend edges. Make sure to keep the surface wet to avoid heat buildup and inconsistent abrasion. Now you refine the surface so the repair disappears into the surrounding metal. Move to 800 or 1000 grit and continue sanding along the original grain. Consistent pressure and parallel strokes recreate the finish. Frequently rinse and dry so you can judge progress. Tears or cross-grain marks mean you need another pass with the previous grit. If the scratch is deep, repeat sanding cycles 400, 600, 800 before moving on. Once the texture looks uniform, clean thoroughly so polishing compounds. Finish by restoring the sheen so the repair is invisible. Apply a small amount of stainless polish to a microfiber and work it along the grain's short passes, increasing pressure as needed. Then buff gently with a non-abrasive pad to lift haze and match the surrounding finish. Wipe all residue with alcohol, then rinse and dry. If the sheen still differs, repeat polish and buff steps once more. Troubleshooting tip: if deep scars remain after repeated sanding and polishing, consider professional buffing or a filler designed for stainless. Don't oversand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.